Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be straightening my hair with a product that I've seen, and I really can't wait because I know it's going to do wonders for my hair. It is olive oil serum. I don't know if you can see it. Coconut oil. So it's olive oil heat protection serum infused with coconut oil, and it's heat defense and protection for thermal styling. So yeah, I've just washed my hair, and it said apply to damp hair, so I've rough towel dried it. So I will be now applying it, running it all through. Oh my god, it smells absolutely amazing. It smells absolutely amazing, and that's what I always look for, because obviously when you know you do your hair, you want it to smell nice, don't you? So yeah, that's really nice. So basically it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's good for all your styling, hair dryers, hair straighteners, things like that. So as you know, I've got quite a bit of hair, so I have to put quite a bit of product in it, and then I'm just going to rough dry it with a blow dryer, and then I'm going to straighten it. So yeah, there you go. I usually prefer my hair straight actually. I actually prefer my hair straight, but everybody else seems to prefer it curly. But each to their own. So that's why I thought I'd show you it straight. Make sure I get all the ends in. All the end serum. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to quickly rough dry it, and then I shall go on to straightening it. Okay, so now that I've rough dried it all and gone back to my normal roots, I will be straightening it. I'm just waiting for the hair straighteners to heat up. The hair straighteners I'm using are literally Remington hair straighteners. They're old, but they work, and I love them, and they're like £20 from Argos, so they're really cheap, they're really cheerful, and they do the job, they get the job done. And with hair like mine, you need good hair straighteners. So that's one section done. Now to go on to the next sections. Last section. Woo! Let's celebrate. So once over with the cold air and the straighteners, and as well it keeps you cool, especially in the summer. But yeah. Cold air. And yeah, and there we go. That's it. I would definitely rate this product quite a high rating, because I think, obviously, again, it smells nice and I feel like it's made my hair quite sleek. It's made it look a little bit greasy, I'm not gonna lie, but I think, you know, for a day out or a night out, I think it's nice. I think it's suitable, and I feel like it's really made my hair straight. So yeah, peace guys, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to me.